Hi there, today I'm going to take you through two different Canvas courses that I've created. The first one is the Canvas course that I use for my fifth grade students. Our students this year are brand new to the learning management system of Canvas, so I decided to keep things very simple and easy to follow for this school year. As you see on our home page, we have two different months available for students to click through and to access their work through. I decided to leave 2 months available at a time, the current month and the month prior. That way students can access any missing work that they have from the previous month and not be too overwhelmed. So if I click on March, we have the button to go back to the home screen, and it's very simply laid out. The days that we do have school are linked to a page. That page has a daily schedule and our structure is the same. And then if there is homework, there's a link to the homework through a button as well. We're in the middle of state testing, so as of right now, we don't have any current homework, but in order to keep things consistent, I kept the structure the same. Students can also click on the April calendar, which is our current month, and as you can see, the daily schedule is the same, except as I mentioned before, we're in the middle of state testing, so our morning is completely used for that purpose. For math, we have students who are working on different lessons. We use the module component in order to build our lessons. So as you notice, under each lesson it says click for module and the students that are working on that particular lesson. When you click on the module, I've explained to students that you need to be patient and let it load and wait until their lesson number is at the top. So as you are building this for your course or instructing your students, you want to be sure that you give them that little tidbit of information because they will be eager to click on the first module that they see. The structure again remains the same for each module, and I'll just scroll down for purpose of seeing that some of our modules have included mastery paths. Our mastery paths are very simple at this point in time since the component is pretty new to our students. You can also see that there are a variety of different components of Canvas embedded, like pages, external links, quizzes, discussion boards. We also use a lot of LTI integrations with Nearpod mainly. Our mastery paths link back to either the previous lesson depending on the score, or it prepares them with a video and notes for the next lesson that they will visit. The other course I'm going to take you through is what we use for our school for information and professional development. I have been on a committee this year where I have instructed our staff on how to implement and use Canvas in their classrooms. So as a school, instead of using Microsoft Teams this year to house all our information, we are using Canvas, and each staff member is assigned to this Canvas course. So we are the Yetis, so that's why everything is themed this way. And then we have all these different buttons that take us to things that we need throughout the school year from the teacher's perspective. So again, I have showed what it's like from a classroom perspective, and I could go on for hours and hours and hours about the different LTIs that you can use, and especially new quizzes and how much fun that is for students. And then it also can take you through how to use it for a whole staff.